In today's video, I show you how to quickly correct an envelope in DocuSign so you can fix mistakes before sending. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. First, open your browser and head to the DocuSign homepage. Log into your account and from the dashboard click on the Agreements tab. This is where you will see all your current and past envelopes. Now, find the envelope you want to fix. Once you spot it, click on the three little dots next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Correct. You will be taken to a page where you can review all the details, the file, recipient info, and even the message. Make sure everything looks right. Then hit Next. This brings you to the editing page where you can adjust text fields, move elements around, or add new details. Once you're happy with the corrections, simply click the blue Correct button to save and finalize. And that's it. Your envelope is fixed and ready to go. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple tech tips.